I'm back. It's been months since I've published a new video, and a lot of you have been reaching out asking, where did I go? Why haven't I posted a new video? When will I start publishing videos again? And the truth is, I have been keeping some big things to myself, but no more. In this video, I'm spilling my secrets, 5 big secrets, in fact, and the real reason you haven't seen my face in a while. I'm Moriah, the founder and creative director of Moriah Riona Branding, where we help coaches, creatives, and service-based female entrepreneurs build exclusive luxury brands so they can make more money while pursuing their life's passion. As I said, it's been months since I've published a new video, and in that time, I've gained about 3,000 new subscribers, so if you're one of them, welcome. I've also had my most popular video pass 60,000 views, and I've actually hit all the milestones to apply for monetization here on YouTube. So to say I'm excited to be producing videos for this channel again is a huge understatement. However, there have been several good reasons I've been silent on here for most of the last year. So I wanted to share them with you before I dive into creating regular content again. Be sure to stick around to the very end for my biggest reveal. Life update number 1, we moved back to Colorado. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you probably knew that due to my husband's military career, we moved to Alabama in the middle of the pandemic. It was super stressful moving and then navigating a brand new city during the height of COVID. But we actually did make some wonderful new friends, got to spend lots of time with dear old friends, and made lots of great memories while we lived there. However, we were so excited to get orders back to Colorado after my husband completed his year-long education in Alabama. So we're officially back. In fact, we moved back this last summer and have been trying to get settled in ever since, which actually brings me to my next update. Life update number 2. We moved again. Yes, we actually just moved again a couple of months ago into our dream home. When we found out we'd be moving back to Colorado, we decided to build a home. So we've been renting from a friend since we came back in June, and we finally closed on our new house right after Christmas. While we were in our rental, we kept most of our personal belongings packed up because we knew we'd be moving again in just a few months. So that's the main reason I haven't made a new YouTube video in a while. Life has just been a little crazy. I've basically been living out of a suitcase for the last 6 months. I also didn't really feel like I had the space to start filming again, and I literally just unpacked my lights, microphone, and tripod yesterday. Now that we're finally getting settled into our new, more permanent home, I'm ready to start making videos again. I have truly missed this. My goal is to release 2 new videos a month and then eventually get back to publishing a new video each week. So the main reason I've been absent from YouTube since last summer is because we've moved 3 times in 18 months. And honestly, it's been pretty overwhelming. But I've also got some other amazing things going on in my life and in this business right now that I'm so excited to share with you. And those are the rest of my life updates. Life update number 3, I'm rebranding. For those of you on my email list, this might not come as a total surprise because I did hint at a rebrand a few months ago. Well, it's official. Moriah Riona Branding is going through a massive transformation, and I could not be more excited. I actually started dreaming about this rebrand the first week of lockdown in March 2020. It was around that time that I started to feel like my current branding just wasn't me anymore, and it certainly wasn't right for my ideal client. I talk about this a lot with my branding clients, that as your business evolves, so will your audience and your clientele. And I was definitely feeling that shift with my own audience and clients. Because of that, I was starting to feel a real disconnect and dissonance between them and my visual branding. It just doesn't fit anymore. It's not the right message anymore. So I decided to do something about it. a total rebrand. And now it's been 2 years in the making. But I truly believe that good things take time, and its time has almost come. I will be launching my new branding and brand new website any day now. Until then, here's a little sneak peek of what you can expect. Life update number 4, we're hiring. Yes, that's right. I'm looking for awesome people to join Team Moriah Riona Branding. I've been a solopreneur for most of my career, but my small little branding studio that I started with just a laptop has grown a lot. So over the next couple of years, I plan to expand into a full-service luxury branding and marketing agency for ambitious female entrepreneurs. That means I need to work less in my business and more on my business, which means building an awesome team for Moriah Riona Branding. So if you think you might be a good fit or know someone else who might be sure to get on my mailing list, follow my Instagram, and check the job listing page of our new website, launching soon. I'll be honest, I'm both super excited and terrified for this new chapter in my business, but I know this is a necessary step to reach my goals. Life update number 5, the big secret. Okay, I am a pretty private person, and honestly, I don't like sharing the details of my personal life here or on social media. However, even though this is a personal secret, I feel like it might get pretty awkward around here if I don't share it with you. So without further ado, here's my biggest life update. I'm pregnant. We're expecting our second child later this summer, and we are incredibly excited. After spending most of the last 2 years in limbo with COVID, my husband's deployment, and multiple moves, we feel very blessed to finally be settling into this next chapter of our lives in our dream home with a new baby on the way. One important thing to note is that because we've already booked out so far with branding clients and I plan to take 3 months of maternity leave after the baby arrives, my studio is actually completely booked for the rest of this year. So if you're hoping to work together, be sure to get on my wait list for 2023, since waitlist applicants will be the first to be notified when I start booking for next year. There's a link to apply down below. Anyway, that's it. I have spilled my secrets, and now you also know that I'm back on YouTube. If you've watched this whole video so far, thanks. As I mentioned, I typically don't share much personal stuff on here. In fact, what I do share is some of my best advice to help coaches, creatives, and service-based female entrepreneurs build luxury brands so they can show up with confidence, book their dream clients, and finally charge their worth. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified each time I post a new video. Also, I've got a fabulous free gift I know you're going to love. My 10-page guide on how to create a remarkable luxury experience from start to finish. You can grab your copy with the link below. Want to know more about building a luxury brand? Be sure to check out the videos that just popped up. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.